Betrayal, devastation, and I was infuriated.
In a community with an address that implies perfection, the people running a children's camp here called Beating the Odds didn't arouse the suspicion of neighbors living along this country road.
The name of the town is Utopia. Didn't really have any idea what was going on.
Public face of Beating the Odds is 36-year-old Amber-Lee Maloney.
We are all family and very excited to enter into our next chapter.
The camp catered to young people with autism and other needs. What parents didn't know is that her husband, 42-year-old Lauriston Charles Maloney, was a registered sex offender, convicted of trafficking a minor.
Human trafficking, especially of children, is the most heinous of crimes.
Lorelei Barrett's son with autism spent 2.5 years at the camp. She was unaware of Maloney's background until this week when provincial police issued a safety advisory, warning the public Maloney had several prior convictions, including human trafficking of children. By Wednesday, both Maloneys were arrested and charged in a new case of trafficking a person. Lauriston Charles Maloney also faces 2 assault charges and forcible confinement. His wife faces 5 charges, including administering a noxious substance. When Global News went to the couple's home, which is part of the camp, this was the reception. On the door, a notice to immediately stop providing child care. With the Maloneys in custody, the camp is effectively shut down. Barrett spent a lot of money here.
$55 an hour, and it was about $58,000 to $6,000 a month.
New programming and some awesome new funding options for our families.
Some in the community came to support female staff members still living inside the family home.
Everything with the children is bad enough, but I don't think people realize that there's still victims in there, like the workers themselves.
Community advocates offered support to one staff member who came out and encouraged anyone with information about the trafficking allegations to come forward.
The more evidence there is, the more we can keep people like this off our streets, away from our kids.
Now many questions. How is a convicted sex trafficker and his wife able to run a business designed to help some of the most vulnerable young people?
The justice system is actually to blame because he flew under the radar.
Sean O'Shea, Global News, Utopia, Ontario.